Hello my dear viewers, I am back here to my channel on demand. Today I am doing a masala for indad. Okay, indad is a dish which is little tangy, sweet, sour, and you can cook any meats with this masala. It is called the indad. Okay. Now when I take you on a round of the ingredients, you will understand, and this is prepared in 2 stages. Okay. Let me show you the ingredients, then I will tell you which stage. Today I am just going to show you the masala, but will explain to you the method of cooking it. Now minutely watch, I have taken a big garlic pod, 16 red chilies. Now when I say red chilies, they are of 2 kinds. One is a wrinkled called the Byadgi, and this is like Kashmiri. I use both because for its color and taste. 3 onions, 6 green chilies, 1 heaped tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 10 cloves, 1 large marble sized tamarind, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. This is 2 tablespoon of vinegar, and this is 1 tablespoon of liquor. I have taken rum. Okay. I will cut this into small pieces because it's very easy to grind. I have to put all the ingredients to grind except these 2 liquids. Okay. And I have taken 3 cups of water because I will need it while grinding and cooking the meat. Okay. Okay. Now I will grind, and after that I will tell you the method of cooking this 1.5 kg of meat. Meat will be anything of your choice, but but the size of the meat should be 1.5 inch cubes. That means big chunks. Okay, because this particular thing is fried with ghee, clarified butter. Yes, and so many this thing. These are 10 peppercorns and 2 small sticks of cinnamon. And this masala is for 1.5 kg of meat, which is cut into big chunks. I'm going to grind it now. Okay, allow me to grind it. Green chilies. You see, I want to connect with my viewers. You see why? Because whenever I cook, I think of them as much as I think of my family members also. Okay? You see, when you have passion for something, you will never feel bored. I will use the vinegar while this thing grinding, no problem. I can use it at any stage, but I will use this because I am going to grind the masala and keep it in the fridge. Okay. And this liquor I will put it while cooking. If you notice, I have noticed I have not used salt while grinding. Okay, while cooking I will use it. Let me concentrate on the ingredients here. What will see my face? See these things, fibers in the tamarind I have to separate. Slice के let onions because it's easy to grind. This garlic also, garlic pod, one full ना. आणि ते लिकर असा नाही ते आता घालिना while cooking. That's the second stage. आणि तुमका सांगता कशें ते आता method बी सांगता तुमका. Okay, so whenever you want to cook you can do. Let me grind first. So I have taken 3 cups of water. I am using how much I want here. आणि बारीक जावंक जाय. हॅव पेशन्स. Okay, I will tell you the method. Okay, this I have to continue grinding, but why to lose time? When you cut big chunks, like say 1.5 inch of any meat, you have to boil it for 75% cook. 75-80% you have to cook it. You may cook it in the cooker or you keep it in the vessel and cook it. You should see how much of time you require because what meat you are using is important. It should cook up to 85%, 80-85% it should be cooked. Then remove it. Okay. You must not put much water. You can use water from this only, say 1 cup of water while boiling it. Afterwards you remove it from the gas. Okay, cool it. Now this is an important step. You take a pan, put about 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 to 3 ghee, clarified butter, and put in the pan how many pieces you can to fry them on all sides, all 4 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, fry it well. And I repeat, it should be ghee, not vegetable oil or anything. Fry it in ghee. It should become brownish. Yeah, little tinge of that brown should come. It should be fried in such a way that little crispy look, brownish, gingerly color comes on that. Separate it. Then put the next batch on it. Till that 1.5 kg of meat is fried in this way. Okay, keep it aside. Now the last step comes. Take this ground masala. Okay, mix it in that very well. Keep it on the gas again. Put the remaining water. Now in totality it is 3 cups. After putting that, you have to put salt as required. See, salt I have not put anyway. You have to put salt when it is the final cooking and plus this liquor. Rum. It is 1 tablespoon. You can put a little half if you like it in a, and cook it till it is 100% cooked. Okay. Today I am not going to show you the method because I am just making the masala part of it on demand. Okay. On demand. Okay. You can try with any meat that you would like to cook. I think little more. I can see some red chili is not. done.